Let's start. Today we will do color game. What? Color game. See, yellow color. Keep inside yellow color ball. Keep inside. Very good. Yellow color. Only yellow. Yes, very good. Keep inside. Take yellow ball. Yellow ball. Very good. Take yellow ball. Yellow. Yes. Okay, very good. Take yellow ball. Yellow, yes. Take another yellow ball. Yellow color. Very good. Any yellow color ball is there? Very good. Yellow. Yellow is there? Yes, very good.